What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sieben, and today we are going to be talking selling on Amazon through the private label method. Let's get into it. All right, so one of the many methods of selling on Amazon is private label. So what exactly is private label and how do you get involved? So private label is essentially finding a product that already exists in the market, putting your own brand or labeling on it, and then selling it as your own product. So different than the other methods that we went through. I have all of the videos. I can link them to you up there if you want to go take a look. There are 3 other methods, which include online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, and wholesale. So different from those methods where you are selling other people's already branded product and essentially flipping those products at lower prices to get profit. You are taking a product that is only being manufactured and applying your own labels, branding, etc. to it and making it your own product that you now own. So then once you have a product, you're going to go on Amazon, you're going to create your own listing, add your own photos, your own descriptions, and everything like that. And then once it is all ready, you are going to go and hit that like button because that always helps out our YouTube algorithm and makes us the most successful channel possible. But in all honesty, once you're done all of that, you will go and launch your product. You're going to drive sales through PPC or pay-per-click advertising, which is the advertising platform on Amazon. So you're going to pay to get customers to come to your listing. You can do external advertising such as Facebook ads, Instagram influencers, things like that. So you want to just drive attention and traffic to your listing to be as successful as possible, and then you will start selling your products that way. So what are some of the benefits of selling private label? The huge benefit is you will have no competition on your listing because this is your product. You can copyright this product. It will only be you selling this individual product. That being said, you're going to be in a category that has other people and that are selling similar products at different price points. So you will have competition in that way, but nobody on your listing. They can't choose to sell from another buyer. Higher margins. So private label is going to have the highest of the margins of all 4 methods because you are ideally sourcing the product for extremely inexpensive compared to what it retails. You have other costs such as labels and branding and advertising and things like that. But generally speaking, you get into such a invested model, so you can really make the 20 to 40% net profit margins that private labelers are after. The other advantage is you're building a brand that you can later sell. So one of the biggest draws of private label is actually the exit strategy. So having a good exit strategy will allow you to build your products, build your brand, create a name for your business. And then at the end of the day, you can go and approach a company and actually sell them all of the IP, sell them the product, sell them the whole business, and you can exit and make a tidy sum of money. So not only do you have the higher margins, but you can actually exit at the end of it and sell a viable company. So you're saying, obviously this sounds like the best method so far. Why would you not jump into this? Well, there are some disadvantages as well. One huge disadvantage is higher capital required, depending on how fast you want to grow, how big you want the brand to be, and how much experience you have doing so. It can cost quite a lot of money. You do have to invest in samples when you're first trying your product. You have to invest in a tidy sum of inventory. A lot of the time, the inventory is coming from China, so you need to buy at least a few pallets worth. So you're going to need a good $5,000 to $10,000 to get this model started. Another disadvantage is paid advertising, With the other three methods, you don't actually need to spend a cent if you don't want to on advertising, whereas you will not be successful. People will not be able to find your products and you will not rank well on Amazon if you don't spend money on advertising, whether that's through Amazon's native PPC or you're driving external traffic like I mentioned. You need to spend money on advertising to get the eyeballs on your product. The other thing is it requires a lot of testing and optimization to run a private label business, because you are always testing, iterating, improving your product, adding new products, expanding your line. You're always spending money on A/B testing, on how different ads are performing versus others. You're spending money on new product images, updated bullet points, and all of those kinds of things for your listing. So again, very time consuming, very capital intensive, but at the end of the day, it does have its clear benefits and advantages. And if you're in it for the long-term play, this might be the model for you. All right, guys, this has been the introduction to private label selling on Amazon. If you are interested or are already involved in private label, please feel free to reach out to me. I have a lot more resources that can help you out getting started on the business model, as well as friends and contacts that are already doing this and successful. So I can point you in the direction of them as well if you're interested. This is a big and vast business model. You definitely need a little bit more information than what I gave you today, but hopefully this was enough to pique your interest and get you asking questions about it. So if you do have any questions, you want to get a hold of me, want to reach out, let me know down in the comment section. I reply to all comments as well. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps out the YouTube algorithm so we can get this in front of as many people as possible and help out as many people when they want to sell on Amazon. As well, don't forget to subscribe so you can get access to all of my future videos. I will be posting more videos about Amazon if you did enjoy these. And as well, don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That will alert you any single time I post a video. Other than that, have a great day, guys.